Struggling with agri topics that make zero sense? Textbooks too dull? Brain overloaded? Time to switch gears. Welcome to your new go-to space for learning agriculture the easy way, where confusion ends and clarity begins. We turn the tough topics into doodled gold. Simple, sharp, and actually fun to learn. Made just for agriculture students who are done with boring. Agridoodle. Learn the smarter way. In today's video, we're diving into not one or two, but 5 super important agronomy concepts for you. Get ready, because we're about to uncover what exactly is agronomy and why it's the brain behind farming. How soil fertility is like giving your plants a 5-star meal. Why crop rotation is the ultimate fitness plan for the soil. What's the story behind green manure and why farmers grow crops just to mix them back into the soil? And how tillage gives the soil its much-needed refresh before planting. So grab your notebook or your favorite snack, and let's break down these cool farming concepts in the most doodle-tastic way possible. Agronomy is the branch of agricultural science that deals with the principles and practices of crop production and soil management. Have you ever seen a big green farm and wondered, how do farmers grow all that food? The answer lies in a super smart science called agronomy. Agronomy is the science that helps farmers grow more food using smart and sustainable methods. It blends soil knowledge, crop science, climate understanding, and technology to make farming more productive and eco-friendly. Let's dig into some agronomy action. Quiz time, let's go. What does agronomy mainly focus on? Option A, selling agricultural machines. Option B, cooking with organic vegetables. Option C, growing crops and managing soil smartly. Option D, designing farmhouses. You've got 5 seconds. Moving on to soil fertility. Soil fertility refers to the ability of soil to supply essential nutrients to plants in adequate amounts and proper balance for their growth. Let's talk about what's under your feet. Oh, it's soil. But not just any soil. We mean fertile soil. Soil fertility is how rich the soil is in nutrients. Think of it as a buffet for plants. If the soil has the right balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and more, plants grow healthy and strong. But wait, did you really think it's just about nutrients? Think again. Fertile soil isn't just a nutrient bank. It's a full-on life support system for plants. Yes, it needs to hold moisture like a sponge, breathe with good airflow, and maintain the perfect pH balance for roots to thrive. Because only when all these elements come together, that's when the magic of true fertility begins. Also, farmers test soil and use compost, manure, or green manure to boost fertility, because healthy soil equals healthy plants equals healthy food. Let's dig into some soil fertility action again. Quiz time, let's go! What does soil fertility mainly refer to? A, the ability of soil to look dark and muddy. B, the soil's ability to supply essential nutrients in the right balance. C, how fast water drains from the soil after rainfall. D, the number of insects and worms in the soil. You've got 5 seconds. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different types of crops sequentially on the same land to improve soil health and reduce pest and disease risks. Let's play a quick game. Imagine eating only pizza every day. Tasty? Maybe. Healthy? Nope. You see, plants are the same. That's why it's important for the farmers to practice crop rotation by growing different type of crops each season on the same field. Now let's see why is crop rotation important It helps replenish soil nutrients, it breaks the pest and disease cycle, and it reduces dependency on harmful chemicals. Also, some crops, like legumes, even add nitrogen back to the soil. Cool, right? So this is how crop rotation keeps the soil fresh, the yields high, and the environment healthy. Let's dig into some crop rotation action. Quiz time again. Let's go. What is the main purpose of crop rotation? A. To grow the same crop continuously for faster harvests. B. To avoid using compost and fertilizers. C. To grow different crops each season to improve soil health and reduce pest problems. What? D. To decorate the farm with colorful plants. You've got 5 seconds. Now, let's learn what is green manure. Green manure refers to crops that are grown primarily to be incorporated into the soil while they are still green, as they improve soil fertility and structure. Wait, farmers grow crops just to bury them? Yep, that's right, and that's called green manure. These are special plants like sun hemp or legumes crops. They're grown not to harvest the end product, but to enrich the soil. Oh, fantastic! Before the green manure crop mature, they're plowed back into the ground where they decompose and add natural nutrients, especially nitrogen. Green manure improves soil structure, boosts moisture retention, and feeds soil microbes. It's like a healthy green smoothie for the earth. Let's dig into some green manure action again. Quiz time again, let's go! What is the main purpose of green manure crops? A. To be harvested and sold for profit? B. To control weed growth by shading the soil? C. To be plowed into the soil to improve fertility and structure? D. To grow colorful flowers for decoration? You've got 5 seconds. All right. Right. Now let's see what is tillage. Tillage is the mechanical manipulation of soil for crop production, which helps in seedbed preparation, weed control, and soil aeration. Before the seeds even touch the ground, the land needs a little caring, and that's where tillage steps in. Tillage is all about loosening, turning, or breaking up the soil to create the perfect, comfy seedbed that crops love to grow in. Tillage also kicks out pesky weeds, helps blend in that rich organic manure, and boosts both airflow and water movement within the soil. It's like opening up the soil's lungs and letting it breathe freely. Now here's the twist. While tillage is super helpful, overdoing it can wear out the soil and mess with its structure. That's why today's smart farmers use just the right amount. Modern tillage is all about balance and timing. So imagine tillage like a gentle, energizing massage for the soil, relaxing, refreshing, and getting the land pumped up and ready to grow amazing, healthy crops. Let's dig into the final quiz for today. Get ready for some tillage action again. Quiz time, let's go! What best describes the role of tillage in crop production according to modern farming practices? A. It involves flooding the fields for better crop growth. B. It's the mechanical loosening and turning of soil to prepare seed beds, remove weeds, and boost soil health. C. It focuses solely on removing insects before planting. D. It is only used after the crops have fully matured. You've got 5 seconds. So, how many MCQs did you get right, huh? Did you ace it? Or did the weeds of confusion sneak in? Oh, stuck on a topic? You want us to explain? Comment below, and we'll turn it into a doodle you'll never forget. We're here to simplify, explain, and doodle your doubts away. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your agri buddies, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Agridoodle. for more fun farmtastic learning content every week. See ya in the next one. Till then, keep growing and keep glowing.